Howdy! Today we're talking about the pluggable high-speed USB-C to 5 gigabit per second Ethernet adapter, or as it's more commonly called, the USBC-E5000. With this handy little adapter, you can upgrade your existing network without overhauling the entire setup. The USBC-E5000 utilizes your current Cat5e or higher cabling to deliver speeds up to 5 gigabit per second or 5,000 megabits per second for the folks who like bigger numbers when paired with 5 gigabit per second or faster Ethernet switches, router, and a multi-gigabit Ethernet connection. That is quintuple the performance of standard Gigabit Ethernet. The USBC-E5000 is compatible with Windows, macOS, Chrome OS, and it pairs well with Ultrabooks, desktops, and laptops equipped with a USB-C port for fast file transfers, vivid videos, and sensational streaming. Network speeds may be limited by the slower components in your setup. There it is, the pluggable USB-C E5000. It'll get you connected. Quintuple. Quintuple. That's a fun word to say.